Hey guys, okay, so basically I'm in another state right now and I'm gonna vlog. I'm in Colorado. Anyways, yes! Oh, ew, what is that? But we just got our rental van to road trip to Denver later on. We're gonna road trip on Monday, but I'm starting the vlog today because I didn't start it yesterday or on Friday when we were on the plane to get here because I was too lazy and tired and I was jet lagged yesterday. But now I am myself again, guys. Sorry. But anyways, yeah, right now I'm playing some music. Look at all this car is like, it's just so cool. And look at how big, I'm in the front seat and I'm being the DJ. So yeah, and look at how adorbs the mirror is. I just love when mirrors have lighting and stuff like that. And I'm just excited for today because I am finally not tired and not jet lagged, and the weather here is nice, and this AC even nicer. Anyways, I'll be back later when we're doing things. Oh, guys, look at Chase. Chase, look. Hi. Oh, he is so cute. I love Chase. Right now, I'm literally just waiting for my family to get in the car. I'm driving. JK, I'm not. Oh, but I will be in 2023. Anyways, guys, this is the coolest little van ever. And I have all my stuff in the back already. And then quite excited for the experience of the drive. It's really nice, really nice. I'm just really bored. So we need to go already because I don't want to stay inside and just stick on my phone. You know how boring that is? Hey guys, we're in the back seat and we're about to go to Chipotle.
Is that freaking Izzy?
Ari is vlogging too, I think. Who's Izzy?
I think I see someone I know. Oh my god.
Do you like her?
No.
Oh. It's a small town. Okay guys, we're here at Chipotle. Yes! We're so excited, or I am. Okay guys. And here's Chipotle. And then
What?
we're gonna... Oh, my foot just started cramping. Wait, which way do we enter? Oh shoot, I forgot my mask. It's okay. They don't really wear it here because the cases are low. I'm vlogging. Okay guys, we got a Chipotle.
Yeah, I think that should be good. Wait, maybe do you think that's good for Brayden?
Yeah, that's and your father.
This is exciting. It's all packaged. Yes. Okay, I'm getting some watermelon limeade. It's filling it very slowly. Oh! There you go. Oh. I don't want to wipe it on my... Okay, there we go. Okay guys, we got a Chipotle and we've been eating it.
Somebody was saying this covers.
I rate it literally 10 out of 10. It's so good. Guys, look at how beautiful it is. It's so pretty, but on camera you can't really tell. Okay guys, look at how pretty it is over here. All the rocks and the formations. Okay guys, right now we are at Cold Shippers Point at the Colorado Monument, and look at how, it's not pretty right now, but it was prettier earlier. Oh look, I'm gonna follow them.
Yeah, go. Why are they waddling?
Yeah, why is their footsteps so, oh look, it's an ant!
Jesus, that's a big ant.
They're carrying the food.
I wonder where the ant hive. Ant colony.
And then Ari is climbing like a monkey.
And my platforms.
In your platforms. Did you hear that too? Okay, no wonder it is called Cold Shivers Point. I'm literally shivering. I don't know if y'all can see, but the rocks are shimmering in the sun, and it's pretty cute.
You guys, I have the option to jump off right here.
No,
and
please
die.
don't.
Seriously.
Okay.
You guys, where are you going?
Look at that.
Do you guys?
It's loud. It's like whistling. Right now, Ari is writing things on this rock.
Girl boss.
And there's like so much different things on this rock. So I'm gonna put something here. I don't know what to put though.
Oh.
I'm gonna put. There we go. I wrote I'm so cool, yas, but it's kind of bad. Whatever. Whatever. Katrina is so funny because I am so funny. Okay guys, me and Nina are going down this trail. Oh. Whoa! Look! How pretty! This one is scary. I don't want to go past the fence. The other one I was fine with. Oh, and then it's kind of formatted with like stickers. I feel like someone would still fall off. That's where the river goes. Isn't that cool? Guys, look at the bees and the little cactus flowers.
They
So
do.
cute.
Look at the flowers though.
Pretty, yeah?
Okay guys, there's like a mini cactus thingy that I just picked up for no reason. And I'm gonna go throw it back in the wild. Okay, bye. Okay guys, we're at the mummy part of the thing. There's like, in the rocks, there's supposed to be a mummy shape. Or there is a mummy. Good question. I don't know what it is. But there's another part where we can scream and it's gonna echo. Maybe. Okay guys, that's supposed to be the formation of an Egyptian mummy. It's so cool.
And then the pillars.
And then the pillars. Oh, the pillars of the Egyptians?
Possibly.
Oh.
Okay, we're gonna do our echo.
Yeah,
1,
yeah, 2.
2, 3.
That's so cool. Yeah. I sat on it. Yes. Hey guys, we're at Goodwill right now and we're looking for some clothing. And whoa, this Goodwill is huge compared to where I live. You guys, just look at the most hideous shirt we ever found. It's like popcorn ceiling. It's gross. No. Hey guys, okay, so right now we're in Target and I need like soles for my feet because we're gonna be doing a lot of walking and I cannot survive. Okay guys, I forgot to film, but we're like home now. I've been eating these, and as a local to Hawaii, I've never ever tried these before. Oh yeah, sorry, ouch. But these are really good. And hopefully we can go to the park later. It's still daylight out and it's like 8 o'clock. What? So it's really hard to catch on to the time zone. But yeah. Okay guys, we're going to the park right now. Guys, look at this one house. And there's like a deer thing in the tiny window. Also, why are there like little windows underneath? Oh, guys, look at this tree. It literally looks like a Christmas tree and it's the color of a Christmas tree. It does not smell like a Christmas tree, I can confirm. Let's go. Guys, look at this park. I love that cotton falls. There's not many people here. Oh yay, there's no people. Do 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 do. Hey guys, so basically I just went on the swing and it was really fun. Oh, now Nina's swinging. I almost said swing. It's okay, you're not swimming. But there's like this entire playground and I feel like such a kid on playgrounds. Like slay. Oh. Holy that was a fast swing. Oh, I shocked myself. Slide. I'm gonna try and climb on this little pole thing. Hold up. Oh.
You got this. I believe in you. I can't do it. Sorry. Almost there. You're almost there. Do it. Wait, March. In a good mood? You're not. It's that hard, I swear.
Do it while climbing.
No.
It's because you're not.
I was like,
Oh.
We're going.
be like that. It's not that.
Get it, girl. Push it all the way.
Why does it?
No.
Yeah. Stand right here.
Oh no. No. Guys, we're playing, or I am playing some Minecraft. This is an old version, right?
Yeah.
It's really hard to do it on whatever this is. Hey guys, okay, so we got some pizza. I think only pepperoni though. Oh no, yes, Supreme. I prefer Supreme. And then Parmesan, yes. Okay guys, that's the end of the vlog because I'm about to shower and there's nothing else to vlog in the day, and I think this vlog is pretty long, so that's gonna be the end of it. Anyways, bye.